In this task, we are at the PSM level, where we will describe the implementation concerns for the controller model. At the PSM level, model descriptions are platform-specific. Since I plan to use the .NET framework and later generate code with the C# programming language, it is necessary to outline the implementation concerns related to this platform. For instance, within the .NET framework, realizing the functionality of the controller requires using certain Microsoft-provided packages and libraries. Therefore, I need to define the relevant package in the controller model at the PSM level and specify that the order controller will utilize this package. Let's proceed. Upon opening the controller model at the PSM level, I notice that the order controller has been transferred here through transformations from higher layers. Here, I can define the desired package. For example, I decide to use a particular package, assign a name to it, any name will suffice, and declare my intention to use this package before saving the changes. Subsequently, I will detail the package more thoroughly. To do this, I set the package name property to match the library provided by Microsoft and then save the changes. With that completed, I return to the process execution page and click the Done button to continue the process. The process advances to another manual task, where I am prompted to address the implementation concerns of the CQRS model. Similarly, this involves using specific packages for the CQRS model, such as those for working with a message broker or for event mapping, sending, and receiving. Defining this information is essential. Thus, I open the CQRS model at the PSM level and input the necessary package details. Some information has already been conveyed to the PSM level through model transformations from higher levels. At this stage, I only need to specify the details of the packages in use. For example, I define a package for command and set its package name property. I also establish a package for interacting with the message broker. To conserve time, I pause the video, define the packages, and then resume. Having defined the packages, I can now specify which packages are required by my commands, events, and command handlers. For instance, if the commands require a certain package, I go ahead and indicate that this package is needed. This step is repeated for all commands, including create, cancel, complete, and revoke order. Command handlers also necessitate specific packages, which I define accordingly. The same applies to events and their handlers. I define the necessary package for each. I believe all the packages have been defined, allowing me to mark this task as complete and proceed with the process execution. The process continues until we reach another manual task, which I will cover in a subsequent